Hello everybody, I'm Billy, and this is Brent from corkandjava.com, and today we're doing day 11 of the 12 days of Christmas cocktails. What do we got for us?
Today we are doing a delicious sugar cookie martini.
Martini. This one goes out to my grandma. Stay tuned.
Hello everybody, welcome back to corkandjava.com, your go-to place for coffee and wine, reviews and how-tos. On this channel we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video.
That's right, so we're doing a Christmas martini for day 11 of the 12 days of Christmas cocktails.
Yep.
So, what kind of martini is it, and how should we get started?
Well, it's a vodka martini, and it's gonna be very sweet.
Yes.
We're adding Bailey's to it, and it'll be thicker because we are adding heavy whipping cream.
Awesome.
So first we have a bowl of little sprinkles that we are going to use to go around the rim of our glass, and you are going to use icing.
Can you use any kind of icing, or?
Yeah, you can use vanilla icing. Cream cheese icing is my favorite, so that's what we're going to use.
I'm making her do this part because I have no idea how this is supposed to be done. This is not typical rimming of glasses.
Well, you know, I'm just guessing here, but...
Alright, well, you're the artist. Alright, so already we're just throwing sugar on the glass.
Yes.
For step one.
You have diabetes or you're on a diet, this is probably not the cocktail for you.
Calories don't count during the holidays.
That's true.
So
let's
alright, I'll apply some of these BBs to it. I mean sprinkles. Oh, they're flying everywhere.
I have a feeling that these will look really pretty. They might not taste as good as they look, but we'll see.
What do you mean?
Like, I'm just not sure they will live up to the hype. Like, I bet they're gonna look really pretty.
The cocktail, or
yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, see, look how pretty this looks already. Yeah.
Yeah, good start.
Okay. Alright, so we'll set that aside for a minute. We're gonna take all our ingredients and put them in the shaker. Okay, so...
Halfway up, filled with ice.
Yep. Okay, so first we need to use 1.5 ounces of vodka.
Alright, 1 shot of vodka.
And we'll do the same amount with Bailey's.
1 shot of Bailey's.
I just love that gloving sound.
Alright.
Alright, then we'll do 3/4 of an ounce of Amaretto. Which comes in a snazzy little bottle.
3/4.
And then we'll do a teaspoon of confectioner sugar just to make it extra sweet.
Wow.
Confectioner sugar is powdered sugar.
Teaspoon?
Yeah, 1 teaspoon. So it's like just a smidge. That's really good. And then we'll do 3 tablespoons of the heavy whipping cream. You can also use milk, or like skim milk, or you can use half and half if you want it a little bit lighter.
3 tablespoons?
Yeah. And then, like you said, you just shake it over the ice and then strain it into the glass. Really simple.
All right.
So I'm excited to see how this comes out.
I want it very cold because there's no ice in the glass. All right, that should be nice and chilled. Ooh, yeah.
Actually, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, that looks great. All right, so let's try it.
Okay. Well, we did add a little bit more to the glass. If you're wondering why it's fuller, we did add just to get it on par with the sprinkles.
Yeah, we added just a little more, same ratio of everything. But yeah, let's see how it is.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Is that a good oh my gosh or a bad?
It literally tastes like a sugar cookie batter.
Mm.
Yeah. That was really good. Whoa, and those sprinkles are adding some funky colors.
Yeah.
In there once you start drinking it. This one's a dangerous one. But it's good. Very creamy. Very sugar cookie-like. I don't know how else to explain it. Kind of like that cake batter icing at like Cold Stone Creamery. But yeah, it's delicious.
Yeah, it tastes a lot more of the alcohol than I expected. I thought it was just going to be really sweet and, you know, just kind of overpoweringly, like cloyingly sweet. But it's actually pretty good. It's not my favorite that we've done by any means, and I like sweet stuff, but
I definitely think this tops the mudslide though. This to me tastes a lot better than the mudslide.
Okay.
And I like the mudslide. That was a decent mudslide, but I'm not a huge chocolate mudslide person. This one has a little bit more kind of a cookie flair, which I like.
Yeah, it's good. All right, so that was day 11 of the 12 Days of Christmas Cocktails. We only have one day left, so make sure you guys tune in to see what we will do. We have great people and content on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. So make sure you guys check out all those things online and get involved in our Facebook group, Cork and Java.
All right, until next time.
Bottoms
up.